Okay guys, in my hand I'm holding something. If you guys remember, I planted a baby potato and this is it. Do you guys think that this potato had any potatoes? Stick around and you guys will find out. Hello everybody, welcome back to Lilia's Garden Channel. I'm so glad you're here, and today I have a little potato plant in front of me. If you guys watched the video, basically I showed you how I planted this little potato. Literally was like this small, and it grew, and now it looks pretty much dead. And this just means that the potatoes be ready. Y'all, potatoes, there must be some potatoes in there, and I'm about to check and see. And if there ain't nothing, I ain't gonna post this video. But if you guys are watching, that means there's some. So let's check it out. What do you guys say? Let's start harvesting. Alright, well, first of all, I'm about to remove this mulch. Let's remove this mulch. Now I'm just gonna like Alright, you know what? I'm just gonna like get on the other side of the camera. Guys, it's a baby potato. Look at it. Oh my goodness. Totally did not expect this. What the world? So cute. Oh, there's another one. I'm gonna rip this little guy out. Here's the original. Here's the original potato that I planted. And these are the babies. Guys. Yes, little babies. I totally did not expect this. There's little tiny ones right there too. Let me focus. It has little tiny undeveloped ones, but it's really like done, so. You did well, little guy. You did well. You did well. Thank you so much. Can you guys believe that from this tiny little guy, this little potato, doesn't want to focus? It never wants to focus. Never. This tiny little potato had these guys. This is like equal to one medium-sized potato. They're so cute. They smell so cute. I don't know how smell could be cute, but they be cute. It's so cute. This is amazing, you guys. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys later. And by the way, I love you. Bye. I feel like something's about to happen. Now I could see it. I could see it. Like, for real. So cute. So cute. Man. Amazing. Amazing. The sacrifice of a mother potato. And it has these huge kids. It's basically gonna rot away now. So, excuse me while I smell them.